Good afternoon. It is a Sunday afternoon, and we are at PJD Homes doing a COVID-19 deep cleaning and sanitizing. We will be cleaning these offices and sanitizing these offices. This is QualiCare Maids, and today we are at PJD Homes, and we are doing a COVID-19 office cleaning and sanitizing. Yes, folks, it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and guess what we're doing? A COVID-19 office cleaning and sanitizing for PJD Homes, out here in beautiful Lake Norman today. First, we have to clean, and then we will be sanitizing. As you can see, we use a commercial cleaner to clean all surfaces, top to bottom, and then we sanitize these surfaces and leave the sanitizer on. And now we are sanitizing the door after being cleaned from front to back. All doors throughout this building will be sanitized, the entire door and door frames. Okay, we are now sanitizing the desk and all the objects. We are now sanitizing the inside and the outside of the doors. Spray some more sanitizer on it. Okay, we are finishing up on the second floor, and we are now sanitizing the surfaces. Okay, we're giving you the results because we have just finished with this first floor. And let's just give you a tour of this COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. Let's get some of this room here. And as you can see, everything is clean. Shelves have all been cleaned, sanitized. Trash cans have all been cleaned and sanitized. Now we're doing a walkthrough. And let me give you a view of this side of the room to give you a better idea. Okay. Now, this is the hallway. And as you can see, this room has been done. Now, just walking you through. This is the bathroom. This has been cleaned and sanitized. Now, let's take a look at the kitchen area. And as you can see, we've added a nice gloss to these countertops. Floors have been cleaned, sanitized. And we are walking through now, which is one of the offices. Here we go. To give you a better idea. And as you can see, everything is clean, sanitized, and neatly organized. Now let's go into the last office here and give you a walk through this. See, all surfaces, file cabinets, and everything have been cleaned and sanitized. This has been another QualiCare Maids COVID-19 office cleaning and sanitizing. And this is one of the reasons that people call QualiCare Maids first for a COVID-19 cleaning. Because at QualiCare Maids, we give you a detailed COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing, in which we touch all surfaces from the fronts of all doors to the back of all doors, all knobs, all shelves, all tabletops, all chairs, televisions, computer equipment, and office equipment. So for your next COVID-19 office cleaning and sanitizing, call QualiCare Maids at 704-218-9645. Again, thank you for viewing the QualiCare video, and you have a great day. Okay, one last walkthrough before we get out of here. Make sure everything is shining. Beautiful luster on that countertop. See what we got on the bathroom. Floors are clean. Everything is shining. Okay, now, one last walk through here, and let's see what we got. We have just completed another QualiCare Maids COVID-19 cleaning and office sanitizing. For all of your cleaning needs and COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing needs, contact QualiCare Maids at 704-218-9645. Have a great day. Welcome to QualiCare Maids, where today we are doing a T-Mobile store. This is a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. And as you can see, we've got a lot of stuff to do today. We're getting everything. Already started cleaning this area. And we will be cleaning first. And then we will be sanitizing. And we've already got started. So we'll keep you updated. Again, this is a cleaning and COVID-19 sanitization of a T-Mobile office. Okay, we are getting ready to sanitize these desktops. after wiping them down. And this entire office will be sanitized, including the computer keyboards. Okay, we are at a T-Mobile store today, and we are cleaning and sanitizing this entire building, including the windows are being washed and cleaned. When we come in to clean and sanitize, we touch everything in a building and in a house. All doors and windows will be sanitized, not just the door handles. And everything you see here will be cleaned and sanitized. All of these booths will be totally cleaned and sanitized from top to bottom. Thank you, and stay tuned. Okay, we are now sanitizing the window ledges. Now we are starting to clean this area up, which has a lot of work, as you can see. This is a COVID-19 T-Mobile cleaning and sanitizing, brought to you by QualiCare Maids. As you can see, we are finishing up on this room, and we just about got it done. If you remember the before video, this is the after video coming up. We're now taking the trash out and clearing this room, and this will be done. Again, this is a QualiCare Maids T-Mobile office cleaning and COVID-19 sanitizing. We will bring you the final clean of the building in a few minutes. Stay tuned. Okay, we are finishing up. As you can see, let's give you a 360 degree of this cleaning. This is a T-Mobile office, and we are now finishing up, doing the final walkthrough. Make sure we got everything, and let's pull everything down. Okay. All counters have been done, and screw hit the floor. Let's go ahead and do a walkthrough now. Okay, all these have been done. Okay, and we are finishing up, as you can see. Thank you for viewing the QualiCare Maids video. This is a COVID-19 office cleaning and sanitizing. And as you can see, we are now done.